students, myself Dr. T. Sudasan Ramaprama. Today we are going to see about the fabrication techniques in smart textiles. Fabrication is the process of creating a product or structure from raw materials. There are several fabrication techniques that are commonly used in manufacturing and constructive materials. First one is cutting. Cutting is one of the most common fabrication techniques. It involves the removal of the materials from the large pieces of materials to form a specified shapes or size. Welding. Welding is the process involving joining two or more materials by heating them into their melting point and allowing them to cool, fusing the materials together. Forming. Forming is a technique that involves the bending, folding or shaping of the sheet of materials to create a specific shape. Machining. Machining involves the use of the machine tools to remove materials from the larger piece of materials, creating a specific shape or size. Casting. Casting is a technique to involve pouring light materials into the mold to create a specific shape. This technique is commonly used for creating a metal part, but it can also be used for plastic or rubber. In conclusion, there are some of the most common fabrication techniques used for various industries. Knowing which techniques is used to depends on the type of material, the desired finished product, and the required level of the precision and accuracy. Conductive fibers are fibers that have the ability to conduct electricity. They are used to create textile products such as clothing, accuracy, and even electronics. The advantages of conducting fibers is that they are flexible, durable, and can be produced at large scalable. There are several fabrication techniques that can be used when working with conductive fibers. Weaving is a technique where conductive fibers are woven into the fabric. Kitting is a similar to weaving where conductive fibers are kitted to fabric. However, kitting is an advanced of overheating as it's more flexible and can strengthen without damaging the conductive fibers. Coating. Coating involves coating is the fabric with conductive materials such as silver or copper. Embroidery is a technique where conductive fibers are sewn into the fabric to create circuits. Brightening is a technique for conductive fibers were brightened together to create a conductive rope. Conductive fibers have innovation textile industry by enabling the production of smart fabric, wearable technologies, and even soft robotics. With the help of different techniques such as weaving, knitting, coating, embroidery, we can utilize the conductive fibers to develop fabrics that are be more versatile and functional. The future of the textile industry looks existing with the development of these advanced materials such as conductive fibers. Fabric techniques treated conductive fibers. Fabric techniques for treated conductive fibers refers to the methods used to create textiles that contains conductive fibers that have been treated with a conductive